What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you something really cool. I want to show you how I was doing retail arbitrage and turned a $13 investment into about $530 profit. Now you're probably wondering, is it that easy? And it is. And I'm going to show you one of the things I was selling. Alright? So let me show you. Here we go. Okay? Don't go out there and show this to a bunch of people. Now I'm showing you this because, for one, the back to school season is almost over. Number two, I'm showing you this exact listing right here because this is only one of the items that I was selling. I'm currently done selling it now, and I'm moving on to some other stuff. So that's why I'm showing it to you. But the reason I'm showing you this stuff is because I want you to think about this the next time you're doing any type of retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, or even wholesale. You need to think about this stuff because this is how you make the money, all right? So this is one of the items I was selling, okay? This whole bundle right here, and you can see right here, back to school essentials, supplies, kit, bundle, kindergarten through 8th grade, all right? This whole bundle right here cost me $12.80 from retail stores. And when I say retail stores, I'm pretty much talking about Walmart, Office Depot, and the dollar store, okay? That's pretty much what I'm talking about. So I would buy all these items, okay, and I only bought 75 of them, but I bought 75 of these items and made 75 bundles, okay? So let me show you what that looks like. Or actually, before I do that, let me show you the amount of money I made just from one sale. So I was selling them for right about $32. Some was like 31, 95. Some was a little more than 32. On average, I was making about, or I was selling them for about $32 back when, and you can see the rankings. Here's a Keepa chart. The rankings on these, look at that. Okay, look how great that is. Okay, they're in like the 400s or 500s in toys. Okay, in toys and games. So here's what I want to show you. Sold for $32 after Amazon fees. My cost to send into Amazon is about 40 cents. And then you see the fulfillment fees and the cost of the product. I was paying $12.80 for all this stuff, and that was from retail stores. I got a better deal from wholesalers, but I was selling a different product, and I'm definitely not going to show you that. Okay, I don't want the competition, but I was making $7.04 off every single one of these sales. And at this rank, 500 in toys and games, it sold very well. Like I said, I only bought 750, but let me show you what that looks like, all right? Or 75 bundles, not 750, okay? So 75 times 7.04, okay? $528 from this one bundle. This one bundle. And it took me about, I think, like a month and a half, a little less than a month, to sell at my $32 price point. That's what I want you guys to understand, is this stuff is everywhere. And when I say everywhere, it's at, you can look on Amazon.com and type in back to school bundle, and you're going to see a bunch of different options. Okay, there's college student bundle. There is, I think, a 2nd grade bundle. There's 9th through 12th grade bundle. There's so many different things that you can get, okay, that you can buy on Amazon. People have already created these listings for you. I didn't create this listing that I just showed you. Okay, I wasn't the one that created it, but I found it. I found the product, every single product that was in that listing. I found it. I figured out how much did it cost me. Is it worth it to make, is it profitable? And yes, it is, all right? Now, at the price point right now, I think the lowest is like $19.50, or about $20 with free shipping. Okay, and so that one's probably doing really well. However, that's merchant fulfilled. This one right here, okay, this one right here, it is Prime, free, 1-day shipping, cool, $29. Still, you're making some money, especially if you're getting it for only $13. You're making some money. You're not making as much, but you're still making some money, okay? So that's the key, is you figure out how much money you can make. Is it worth it? Here's what I want to show you, because one of the things I get questioned about all the time is, how do you find the red scissors? How do you find the yellow and the red portfolio? How do you find, the right glue and the right color of these? Well, you don't. Okay, let me show you this. And this is something that smart people are doing when they create that listing, is you always write colors may vary. As long as you do that, you should be covered. All right. Now, if you're saying, colors may vary, and you're talking about the pencils, I wouldn't do that. Okay, that's not the smartest thing to do, because if people see, oh, okay, that's a cool pencil, those are cool Crayola pencils, those are the colors I need, but then they get it and they're like, well, these are like neon colors, I don't need these. Okay, that's why I say don't do it. But when you do colors may vary and you're talking about the specific notebook colors, that's what I'd recommend. All right, so again, let me show you one more time. This video is not going to be very long because I don't want to, for one, I'm not going to show you the other listings that I'm currently on, but one of the things I did, years ago is I spent days or weeks and hours every single week. I would find new bundles that I could jump on and make some money on. The reason why I do this is because I want to figure out ways to make money that other people probably aren't doing just yet. And one of the things that I noticed early on in my whole Amazon FBA, career, business, whatever you want to call it, is that people are not willing to put in that much work. I sell a lot of individual products, but I also sell a lot of bundles. Bundles, for me, is what gives me that cash flow. Okay, because bundles are always consistent, especially the ones I'm on. The majority of my bundles are not toy bundles. They're not, clothing bundles. They're not things like that. The majority of my bundles are replenishable products like food, okay, like health and beauty and personal supplies. That's what the majority of my bundles actually are. And so that's what makes it very consistent. Okay, I'm not telling you go out there and find these items that are rare, hard to find, because that's not what's going to build your business. What's going to build your business, give you that cash flow, okay, is going to be bundles, going to be consistent selling products, wholesale accounts, a good private label product. Those are the things that are going to build your business. Those rare products you find, once every couple months that make you, 5,000% ROI. That's not what's going to build your business. It's going to put a little extra money in your pocket, but it's not going to help you build your business and keep it consistent. Okay, that's why I highly recommend bundles. Okay, so like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to get the main point across, is that these bundles are out there. They're out there. People have created them. I know I've created a bunch of bundles as well. Other people have done it as well. And you can find these bundles just by going to Amazon.com, typing in back to school bundle, typing in Paw Patrol bundle, typing in birthday party bundle, whatever. Okay, type in whatever it is, bundle, and you're gonna come up with something. You're gonna find all these ideas, then hop over to Google and just start figuring out how much does that product cost, how much does that one cost, and then start buying these products when they're on sale. Bundle them together, send them in Amazon, and you make the money. It's that simple. All right, so hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you are not sure what to do next, your Amazon FBA business is struggling, make sure you go join the Amazon FBA private membership group. It is $11.99 per month. You can cancel at any time, but that should help you out a great deal. So again, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.